What's up, everybody? I'm Gone in 60, and I have a new vinyl kit that I installed on my four-door Bronco that I want to show you, and let's get into this, and I'll explain everything about it. So this is the new kit from Underground Graphics in Houston. The name of the kit is Drift, and it's in satin black. We've had some really cold weather the past week, getting down to like 17 degrees, and wasn't able to actually shoot this video for you, but we've got gorgeous weather now, so I wanted to show it. So I brought the kit to 10th Avenue and had them install it, and it was something I probably could have done myself, but I didn't want to risk it. I decided to just let the professionals install it, and you can see for yourself. It's a good job. So this is a brand new kit from Underground Graphics, and I believe this one was the second one that they sent out. And I loved it when I saw it. Knew I had to have it. Now, if you look closely, there are some accent stripes. They call it antique bronze. They can do whatever color accent stripes you want, or they can do without the accent stripes. But when you look closer, you can see the antique bronze stripes. What they're going to do is they already sent me wider stripes, so that way from further away you can still see it. Right now it just looks like the black stripes when you get further away. So I'm gonna install those myself, remove the other ones and install that, and it's gonna look great, I think. But I think you'll be able to see the accent stripe from a further distance. The install video that they did, they actually had like a cyber orange accent stripe, and that one you can see, a lot better from a farther away distance. But once again, Underground Graphics, great customer service, was really quick in sending me those accent stripes, and that's why I've been doing a lot of business with them. If you guys haven't seen the video that I did on my wife's two-door, the cyber orange, go back and look at that, because I installed a hood graphic, but also some side stripes on the rockers, and it came out really, really good, and I was able to install that myself. So once again, thanks to Underground Graphics. So there you have it. The drift kit is installed. Kind of reminds me of a Baja Racer. But I also wanted to show you the interior overlay kit that I painted and installed on my wife's two-door Bronco. So let's check that out. So this is the center console and radio bezel before the install. And here's the after. I installed the paint matched center console and radio bezel. So this came as a actual two carbon fiber pieces that were really actually good looking, gloss carbon fiber. Believe they were hydro dipped. Bought it off of Amazon, but I had some paint mixed up, cyber orange, and decided to paint over it just to kind of match the this interior right here. Now the two-door Broncos are the only ones that match the exterior paint to the interior right here. So the four doors don't have this stripe right here. So I just thought I'd build on that. And the wife likes it, so we're good. That's one of her little stocking stuffers for Christmas. So altogether, I'm pretty pleased with how everything came out. Fender flares, matching top, even the rocker stripes from Underground Graphics. And that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more Bronco content coming up, and we actually have two Bronco Raptors at work, so I'll try to get a little bit of footage of those also.